So this week at work, we were running a scale growth value workshop. And what was so interesting was this idea of, well, what is a plan that's implementable, an actionable plan to indeed remove the impediments to scale and growth. And when we went around the room, and it's quite an extensive room, there are about 80 odd businesses represented here, what came out consistently were, in effect, let's call it strategies or tactics to grow. We're going to add new products. We're going to enter into a new market. We're going to establish a new location. We're going to digitize elements of our offering, and so on. Those aren't actionable plans. An actionable plan is fundamentally practical. It does not reside on Excel, despite how pleasing the Excel numbers can look. An actionable plan is something that guides the day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month, year-to-year activities of a team. An actionable plan is something that everybody can wrap their heads around in order to know what to do, when to do it, and how to do it, and how indeed, in doing so, it feeds into the greater purpose behind why the business itself exists. Without an actionable plan, how do you lead? How do you manage? How do you measure? How do you direct your team? Without an actionable plan, what actually are you leading, and why, and how, and where is it going? It's food for thought around the practicalities of what you use as a framework to guide your team and against which to lead. Without it, it's incredibly hard to get the impact I believe your ambition might set ahead for you. Until this week at work, I'll see you next week.